Every evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, Elara would climb the sky bridge, carrying her glowing paintbrush of light and a pouch full of shimmering stardust. With gentle strokes, she painted the night sky, bringing thousands of stars to life. Some stars she made golden and bright, others soft and silver, and some twinkled like tiny diamonds sprinkled across the heavens. She loved her job more than anything. Each night, she made sure that the stars shone just right so that children below could fall asleep under their magical glow. One evening, just as Elara was about to begin painting, a tiny shooting star named Nova came whizzing toward her, wobbling in the air. "Elara! Elara! Help!" Nova cried. Elara knelt down and gasped. "Oh dear, Nova! Why aren't you glowing?" Nova sniffled. "I fell too fast through the sky, and my sparkle faded. I can't shine anymore." Elara smiled gently and pulled out her magical brush. "Don't worry, little one. I have just the thing." She dipped her brush into the pouch of stardust, carefully painting Nova with shimmering silver light. As soon as the brush touched Nova's surface, a warm glow spread across the tiny star's body. "Oh!" Nova gasped. "I feel warm. I feel bright. I'm shining again." Nova zipped around in excitement, leaving a trail of silver sparkles in the air. "Thank you, Elara. You saved me." Elara laughed. "Of course, little one. Every star deserves to shine." Just as she was about to continue painting the night sky, a sudden gust of wind blew through the heavens. Whoosh! Before she could react, her magical paintbrush slipped from her fingers and fell into the cloud forest below. Elara gasped. "Oh no! Without my brush, I can't paint the stars." Nova hovered beside her, deep in thought. "Don't worry. We'll find it together." As they ventured deeper into the forest, they met a gentle wind spirit who swirled around them like a breeze. "What brings you here, Star Painter?" the spirit asked in a voice as soft as the wind. Elara bowed respectfully. "My magical brush was lost in the wind. Have you seen it?" The wind spirit thought for a moment. "Ah, yes. The playful moon breeze carried it toward the river of stars." "Thank you," Elara said as she and Nova hurried toward the glowing river. The river of stars was a magnificent stream of golden and silver light that flowed through Glowville. The river carried lost things, fallen stardust, dream wishes, and forgotten shooting stars. Elara scanned the river and gasped. "There it is! My brush!" It was floating on the surface, glowing faintly. But the river was fast moving, and the brush was drifting toward the edge of the sky. Nova's glow brightened. "I have an idea. Hold on." With a burst of energy, Nova zoomed across the river, creating a bridge of sparkling light with its tail. Elara carefully stepped onto the glowing path and reached out just in time, her fingers closed around the brush. "I got it," she cheered. The moment she held it, the brush glowed brighter than ever, as if it had missed her. With her brush safely in hand, Elara and Nova hurried back to the sky bridge. The night sky was still dark, waiting for its stars. She dipped her brush into the stardust pouch, swirled it in the air, and painted the most dazzling sky Glowville had ever seen. Golden stars danced across the heavens. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye!